Can you fit through that gap?
No.
Everyone hear me. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys. People get funkin' around.
You enjoying it, boys? You alright? Look at this. Beautiful. You alright, Chris? You alright, mate? There we go. Riding through the all the old railway tunnels. You alright, Chris? Where's everyone else? Where are the rest of the boys? Doing the Via Verde, which is all the old railway tracks. So we're going through beautiful countryside and following the old railway tunnels through the mountains. Look at this, absolutely stunning. A lot of them aren't even lit. That's pretty hairy. Actually, I'm not got a light on. We all follow him. You open up, guys, coming through the middle. Quickly, I'll get through before this one comes. You alright? Good. You alright? Back into the light. There we go, riding across the bridge. Charlie. Alright, Pat?
Accelerate.
There we go, Luke.
Today's ride, Charlie, Chris and Pete. Very good company indeed.
Disused railway line that never got completed, and they preserved it. Now they've made it smooth. We'll cycle 36 kilometres right the way across the plain above Ronda. Beautiful countryside.
As Spanish tradition dictates, there has to be a pub. And this is an old railway station in the absolute middle of nowhere. I mean, there's no villages or anything around here. And there's a bar where you can enjoy a local beer. You gotta love the Mediterranean.
This absolutely stunning here. We're just about to enter one of these tunnels. This is a really long one with no lights. So Pat is our leader, the only one with a light. No lights in this tunnel. So absolutely in the black. This is scary shit. Now we're going, this is a long old ride. This is in pure darkness. There we go. We're literally just all following Pat's light. Pitch black in there. And there is light at the end of the tunnel. Here we go. Thank God that's over. Note to self, bring lights next time. There we go. Lovely. Darkness, moving power. Verdicts on today's ride, good, wasn't it?
Absolutely A1.
Beautiful ride.
Yeah. Some nice little surprises along the way.
Yeah, like big black tunnels. Look at this scenery though. There we go.
That was one hell of a ride. It took most of the day, but boy was it worth it.
It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah,
That's the finish line just there. Great day.